This might be the thockiest pre-built keyboard. This is the Nada 65 Panda from Cerakey, and it is almost perfect. I've seen a lot about ceramic keycaps and heard Cerakey release their first keyboard, so I wanted to check it out. Pulling the keyboard out of the box, first thing I notice is how premium it feels in hand. Now this keyboard is very solid, coming in at 2 pounds. First impressions of the Nada 65, I really like the black and white color scheme representing the Panda and the green accent colors to tie in the bamboo. Now on the back, there are Panda decals to go with the theme of the keyboard, as well as rubber feet. I love that they paid close attention to detail not only on the front of the keyboard, but on the back as well. Definitely ties in the aesthetic. Now hopping into the box, we have the instruction manual, as well as super small certificate. The accessories include a microfiber cloth, a keycap and switch puller, USB to USB-C cable, and 4 novelty keycaps. Something that wasn't included in the box that I decided to grab are these honing keys. It's for the F and J letter. I personally have never had a keyboard that's super smooth, so this is something that I'm used to, so I decided to pick them up and see which one I prefer. The keyboard is gasket mounted and hot swappable. You can put whatever keycaps and switches that you like on to make it a little bit thockier or more tactile, or however you want it to sound. I don't like that the keycaps are fingerprint magnets though. However, it is very satisfying to wipe it down with a cloth. Now for the fun part. The Nada 65 comes with plate-mounted stabilizers that are pre-lubed, a heavier switch for the spacebar, as well as Celeste blue linear switches. The Nada 65 is able to achieve such a deep sound profile because they took advantage of all of the space inside of the keyboard. Now between the board and the weight of the ceramic keycaps, it makes it insanely thocky right out of the box. I'd recommend this keyboard for really anyone who wants that amazing sound without having to worry about modding their own keyboard. Here's the comparison with the novelty keycaps. The cherry profile makes the Nada 65 feel way comfortable while typing. Here's what you've been waiting for. This is the sound test. The Nada 65 has a 4000 milliamp battery, offering 200 hours on a single charge with LEDs off and around 30 hours with LEDs on. Now it supports tri-mode connectivity, which includes wireless, USB Type-C, 2.4 GHz wireless, as well as Bluetooth. Now, there's a lot that you can do with the Nada 65 as it supports via firmware. It allows you to remap keys and customize macros if that's something that you like doing with your keyboards. The RGB is south facing with over 30 different lighting modes and side LEDs for ambient aesthetics. Because of the ceramic material, the RGB shines through the keycaps and makes the colors pop. Overall, this keyboard is amazing right out of the box, no mods necessary. The typing experience is amazing with the cool feel of the ceramic material. I definitely would recommend this keyboard for anyone getting into this hobby or wants a really solid quality pre-build that sounds and feels great. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos.